Polaris is a stock in focus. Look at the volumes, 6 times the 5-day average. So that's the number of shares traded already, 7.5 to 8 odd %. Now it's been, this rumor comes in every now and then that Polaris, the management might sell that stake to a foreign player, to an Indian player. Again, a couple of rumors have floated today. Maybe that's why the stock is up. Let's get in Arun Jain, Executive Chairman of Polaris, to speak about this issue and clarify it once and for all. Mr. Jain, thanks so much for joining in. Now, a couple of media reports stating that the promoters are very close to a stake sale. How true is this?
This is a very interesting thing which I have to face beyond quarterly results. Normally, chairman and CEO comes on quarterly results, but I have to come to deny such kind of rumors. So, I think Polaris has created a very highly effective product business, over 500 crore, one of the few companies out of India which could able to succeed in investing or building such a huge business. There's 50% revenue come from America and Europe. So there's no such product company out of India which has got a revenues coming from Europe and Americas. So obviously it's an attractive choice for any American player or a European player or anybody to look at these kind of opportunities in a marketplace. But the fundamental is that we are going on a path of restructuring, which is maybe construed as a M&A opportunity for the marketplace. As of now, we built a good portfolio of services business, which is more than 2,000 crore business, and product business, which is over 550 crore business, $100 million business, which is critical size in the marketplace. So I would like to say that we have all our engines firing. Why should on earth we should be selling to anybody? So we strongly deny the rumor which has been spread by some irresponsible media, which we should be avoiding in future.
Mr. Jain, thanks for that clarification, and just want to dig on this a little further. I know you've clarified everything, so as of now there are no talks which are on. That's
right. There's no talks with anybody.
If you could just...
As of now, I would like to say, from last 1 year I am communicating again and again that there's no talk, and denial in various media. Please help not to get into this mode of half-cooked information getting onto the media. It hurts Indian companies. It hurts us, our customer relationship. It hurts our employee morale. Please ensure such rumors are validated from the management, and there should be some ethical method in which, if some news is required to be there in the media, should be properly validated and then go to the TV channels. Otherwise, it creates too much amount of management distraction.
So, yeah, Mr. Jain, I know, again, as Avan said, you stated everything, but what I'm just trying to get at is, forget the fact that you might be close to a deal. You are saying that you're not even talking to a single player right now for any kind of stake sale.
That's right, that's right.
Okay, Mr. Jain, you also, referred to some talks about restructuring, that the company is going on the path of the same. Can you just give us more details as to what we can expect and what the timeline is for the same?
Timeline for?
For the restructuring of the business, which, which you spoke, that is happening in the company right now?
Yes.
Can you just...
In the month of November 2012, we had appointed BCG for looking at the valuable assets a company has built over the 2 decades, the customer relationship which company has built up, to leverage how best we can leverage. April 2013, we announced restructuring of product and services, that these 2 businesses require different kind of a management attention, the compensation models, the marketing models, and that has been in place since July 1st. 2 quarter results have come after the restructuring has been done, and I think all the engines are firing in the right direction right now, with 4 CEOs already in place, where Jitin Goyal runs the services business, where Manish Makan runs the corporate banking business, retail banking business run by Jaideep Billa and Venkatesh Srinivasan, and Pranav Pasicha runs the insurance business. And all the CEOs have been moved to closer to the customer, where 2 businesses are run out of UK, services business CEO sits in UK, GTV business runs out of UK, Pranav Pasicha sits out of Americas, Jaideep Billa sits out of Singapore. So we have moved towards a very highly focused customer-centric organization, and all these actions have been there. We have hired more than 25 senior executives from our competition, from the banks, in a geography in UK and America.
Sure.
And they are on board. after the part of restructuring. And now this year business plan of 14-15 will see the result of investment we are now making in strengthening our management structure,
right,
as well as customer penetration structure.